Once you've identified the cause of the disconnection, apply the appropriate fix. For Wi-Fi issues, start by moving the camera closer to your router to improve signal strength. If moving the camera isn't practical, consider using a Wi-Fi extender to expand your network coverage. This can help eliminate dead zones where your camera loses connection. Another option is switching to a less congested Wi-Fi channel. Household devices like microwaves can interfere with your signal, so changing channels can stabilize the connection. For optimal performance, consider using dual-band routers and cameras. These support both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies, allowing you to choose the best option for your setup. For power over Ethernet problems, begin by testing with a different Ethernet cable. Faulty cables are a common cause of connection issues and are easy to replace. Also, check your power source. Ensure the PoE injector or switch is providing stable 48-volt DC power, as fluctuations can cause the camera to reboot unexpectedly. Try power cycling both the camera and your network equipment. This simple reset can clear temporary connection issues without losing any data. Always ensure your network equipment is compatible with your Lorex camera. Check the manufacturer's specifications to confirm everything works together properly. Keep your firmware updated. Lorex regularly releases updates that fix connectivity bugs and improve auto-reconnection features, so install the latest versions. If problems persist after trying these fixes, contact Lorex support directly. Their technical team can provide model-specific guidance and help diagnose complex issues. You can also consult online forums like Reddit's r/Lorex community. Other users often share solutions for specific camera models and network setups. If you're still experiencing issues, it may be a hardware problem. Lorex provides a 3-year warranty that covers manufacturing defects and hardware failures. Under the warranty, you can get the faulty hardware replaced, eliminating the issue and restoring your camera's reliable operation.